First, grab your piece of origami paper and put the side you want to see face down. Then fold it in half. Next, unfold that and fold it in half the other way. Next, unfold that and fold it diagonal one way. This will make a triangle. Then unfold that and fold it in diagonal the other way. Unfold that, put your paper down, fold in the edges and press down. This will make a triangle. Let me show you that again. Take your paper, put it on the table, fold in the edges and press down. Now you will see there are two flaps. Take one flap on one side and fold it to the very top, like this. Do it on the other side too. Then flip it over and repeat. Next, stick your finger in one of the flaps and press down to make a square. Do it on the other side. Flip your paper over and repeat. Next, take one of those flaps and fold it up. This will make a triangle, just like this. Do it on the other side. Next, flip your paper over and repeat. Then you will see a little triangle tab. Fold it up as much as it will go. Next, fold over the flaps to reveal a space with only pattern, just like this. Then, take one of your corners and fold it to the middle line to make a triangle. Do it on the other side too. Then, flip your paper over and repeat. Then you will see a little tab. Fold it up as much as it will go, just like this. Then spread all your paper out so you get a shape like this. I will do it again. Spread it all out like this so you get a shape that's like this. Then place it on your palm, stick your fingers in the little slots, and turn clockwise. Just like this. Yay! You finished making an origami flower.